Now let's start creating the texture. So first add a material to the object. Rename it maybe. Press Ctrl T. And make sure your Node Wrangler add-on is enabled. Now let's choose the concrete texture. The texture I'm using is from textures.com. Now go to edit mode and do unwrap the object. Let me switch to UV editor and change the UV map. Maybe rotate it 90 degrees. Works good. Now put the color in roughness. And also let's add a bump node for the normals and put the color to the height. Manage the bump node. Do some tweaking to reach a good result depending on our texture. Add a color ramp next into the roughness to tweak it. And now we can tweak the roughness color ramp. And also put the color into the specularity with the same color ramp in between. Now, duplicate the texture node setup. We're going to add another texture for more details. Add a mix RGB node to mix both the image textures. And now let's change the setup to show both images. Add a noise texture to put it in the factor. Tweak the noise texture as you wish to make it look like. Now add a color ramp in between to make the black more darker. See the effect coming. And now it's just the game of tweaking. I'll put my node setup in the end with the result.